Hi everyone! Here I will show you how to create your first M2E Pro listing. New listing is created in 4 steps. Let's complete the first 2 steps in this tutorial. At the step 1, you need to specify a title for your listing. Choose one of the linked channel accounts and the marketplace you want to integrate with. Next, select the needed store view from where the Magento products data will be taken. Here, at the second step, you need to complete payment, shipping and return settings. First of all, please specify if the PayPal payments could be accepted or not. If yes, provide an email related to your PayPal account and select if the immediate payment is required. You can also specify additional payment methods available for the eBay marketplace. Next, you need to configure shipping policy. Item location is pre-filled for you based on your Magento settings. Check the information and edit if it's necessary. Choose among the available options to set up the domestic shipping preferences. The first shipping option is flat same cost to all buyers. Using this type, the charge of the single rate will be applied for domestic or international shipping. If you choose this option, you need to provide details of at least one service by clicking Add Shipping Method. Choose shipping service and see if it's free or paid. You can also specify an extra cost for each additional item purchased by a buyer. M2E Pro supports shipping rate tables. They are created directly on eBay and can be downloaded to M2E Pro. The second shipping option is calculated cost varies by buyer's location. Using this type, the charge of the shipping rate is calculated based on the buyer's location, weight and dimensions of the package. Once you select this shipping type, the package details section becomes available. One more method is freight shipping type, which is used for items heavier than 150 pounds. And the last one is no shipping method. It is used when you do not plan to ship the item and the buyer will need to arrange a pickup. For flat and calculated types, you can also specify dispatch or handling time. This is the time after the buyer's payment received but before you send the item. Combined shipping profile allows managing some of your shipping discounts. You can use flat shipping and calculated shipping rule profiles which you have created on eBay. Promotional shipping rule offers the shipping discounts according to the promotional shipping rule settings of your eBay account. The cross-border trade feature allows qualifying listings to be posted on some international sites. Please keep in mind that there can be additional charges from eBay for using this feature. Let's keep it set to none. You can also offer global shipping program for your items if you would like to ship them internationally. Here you can choose between flat and calculated types. Additionally, you can add excluded locations that you won't ship to. For this, you need to click on the Edit Exclusion list and tick the required locations. Finally, you need to set up return conditions. You need to provide return options for the domestic and international sales. In particular, the way return will be given, days the item must be returned within, and which site will cover return shipping. Also, you can save the settings as a policy to apply the same configurations to different M2E Pro listings or override the listing settings for individual items. Check our next tutorial to learn more about steps 3 and 4 of listing creation process.